Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges on a Brother DCP-J1310DW. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. Now, to get ourselves going, we're going to locate a protruding tab on the right hand side of the printer here and just pull this gently away. Bring the door down nice and gently. And as you can see here, we've got clearly marked magenta, cyan, yellow and black ink cartridge slots. So we just find the one we want to replace and we just press down firmly here so the cartridge comes down, slide them out. Replace them. I'm going to pop the same cartridge back in because still got a little bit of ink left in there, so no need to change them just yet. But if you've got a new cartridge, make sure you've removed any pull tabs that need taken off the cartridge, any protective packaging that's on there. If you're using compatible ink cartridges, you might notice some slight moulding differences to differentiate them from the Brother original ones. So just make sure you're getting them from a nice, reputable source and use that as assurance. Or again, make sure that packaging's gone if you're using a Brother original. To get them back in, just place it nice and loosely, push it back, and the printer itself should guide it up and into position. You should see mine popped up quite substantially once it was all the way in there. And then repeat for any other cartridges you need and close the door. As you can see, my printer's just gone back to that main screen, but if you're using compatible or remanufactured ones, you might need to give an extra prompt just to let the printer know that you've changed the cartridge and you're happy with it not being a genuine Brother one. But then you should be up and running. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.